welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I woke up in the blessed spurs this morning because I had one baby on the right side of me waiting for the little cuddles, and the other one, it took a few minutes, but he walked in. Mahesh he stays downstairs. Mahesh let him out of his kennel this morning, and he just jumped on me. He laid on the blanket on my stomach and just he just sleep away, and he was just taking belly rubs. So now I've left the two of them in the bed. Now Mahesh organized breakfast for me, but I'm having some oatmeal, instant oats. So just put it in some milk and put some bananas on top. I do know that oatmeal really absorbs things, and because so much has been going on with my body, I'm just trying to fix it essentially. So and my little hammock swing thingy. This lunch Mahesh cooked for me. We have curry chicken and dumplings fried up with a little tomatoes. I'm tired already. I don't know. I kind of hardly rest this morning. Oh yeah, I've been real tired. Dressed all official for work today. I don't know. I guess I was in a mood, and I'm just feeling really tired. Also, Zorro he's not looking 200%, so I'm a little bit worried about him as well. But I'm gonna eat. I'll probably take 10 minutes nap or something if I could, probably lay my head on a desk or something, or just watch a show just to have my brain flowing. But I have my big cup. I actually put Himalayan salt in it today because I feel like my body need that hydration. So Mahesh went out hunting, and this is how everybody is rooming inside. This is Stitches. This is Fury. So he's inside. Hi baby. This is Zorro. He's not feeling so well today. Look how he's better than food. I come in, baby. That's Poodly. That's my own little daughter. Stretching shoes by my foot. Bandaloy. Today has been such a boss to me. Y'all, I just really couldn't focus on doing anything. I already got up this morning, not being at my 100%. I was probably functioning as about a 70. Probably a 40% functionality. Was I had to take a nap. I had a lot of work. I wasn't feeling so good, and then to top it all, Zorro has been not at his 100 for the entire day too. He has been not really eating. He just sleeping. So I called the vet today because I was just so worried, y'all. I just really can't go through what happened to me recently again, and it just it really pains to see one of my other Furbabies being sick. But when I spoke to the vet, they said that because he got his last puppy vaccine on Friday, he does have he'll have side effects for a longer period of time. So I have him here, trying to get him to stay with me on the bed so that I could just see him in my face. I'm definitely not putting him in his kennel tonight. I need to see him. I need to have him where I can see him. So anyways, I'm just gonna lay here until I sleep away. Keep an eye on him until tomorrow. He's really addicted to this blanket. It's day 5. Shower and get ready. It is 8:15 in the morning. In all honesty, for the past few days I have been just doing what I have to do, just doing it without any joy, without any I used to be so active, preparing and prepping and cleaning and tidying, and now I'm the place too messy, I need to clean, that kind of thing. And I hate that. But you know something, let's get our day started. It's gonna be a great day.
From every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the house. So he looking for a wife, the ideal